Alright, you guys. I'm going to do a rebuild real fast. It's not going to be perfect. I'm just going to show you the quickest way to do it. To get it running, I don't care what it looks like. But it will run, it will work, and it will be about 1.6 when I get done, hopefully. So what you got to do is remove the cover. As you can see, I got a really nice fresh coil on there. I just did this last night, but for the sake of just showing how this works and to get this done, I'm going to rip it apart. I'll probably set this one aside and just redo it later. So I'm going to take that off right now. I'll take a napkin and wipe the base of it. And so then you'll have two screws, and you'll have to use your hex key, of course, that you got. What I have is wire. You can barely see it. What I use is a torch. I can barely see you right now because I'm pretty far forward. Really, don't make me break out the big torch. Yeah, the one time I want to get this done. Well, needless to say, you want to do that a little bit at least. I just filled this lighter. I think I got too much fluid in it. That's good enough. You want to take the wick and do the same to the wick. I am so irritated right now. So the reason why you do this is just to burn the icky stuff off. Voila. What you do is take a paper clip, fold this over, take the paper clip, flip it this way, take your wire, hold it like that. Make sure you're far enough down, you got enough left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you do. This is the simplest way to do it. Then what you want to do is take your pair of scissors, which I think I left in my bag. I was meaning to grab my scissors at the same time. Trim that off. Grab your fatty wherever I set the damn thing. And what you want to do is pull this paper clip out so you can get it on there positioned. And then you gotta tuck it underneath the first one. Take your hex key. Make sure it stays nice and tight. Which I did not do. Go figure. I'm just trying to do this real fast so everybody can see this. Straighten this out. This will probably be the sloppiest coil I've done for a while since I've started doing this again. And lift it up high enough so you can get the wire tucked underneath really good. All I gotta do is just get the wire underneath there. Just like so. Then tighten down the screw. And what you can do is snap the wire off. So, see, I did it again today. See what happens when you try to go too fast. So, we're going to do this differently. I gotta straighten out my wires. I got them kind of messed up right now. Okay, back to normal. Just having issues today. There we go. that one. I see, I did it again, man. I'm just having a mess of a time. How would you like that? Usually I can get this done in less than 15 minutes. Now today, of course, everybody's getting them, and I'm trying to show off that I can do this. And I'm having issues. So now it should be underneath there. Really? There's one. Wiggle the wire a little bit and it'll snap off. There. One. And get the other wire under there. You don't want to leave them too long because it'll cause issues with shorting out and blah blah blah. That one's in. Wiggle wire. Snaps off. Voila. Check your coil, make sure it's good. Make sure it's not sitting on nothing, not touching nothing. I usually lift mine up a little bit. Just careful doing it because otherwise you'll be doing this again. Add a little bit of liquid. I got Ninja Turtle from my job I've been using. Doesn't look perfect. This is a sloppy coil right now. I'm using a Ferrari and I am reading says 1.2, but I don't believe that right now for some reason. 1.2. That'll work. It's pretty low. I think there's something touching there somewhere. Let me stretch this up a little bit, because I'm pretty sure I know it's touching. If you get a reading like that and you know your coil's good enough, you can double check. There we go, 1.6. See? I mean, that's all it is. You just gotta mess with the coil good enough. Once you get that done, add a little liquid. Add your fatty lid back on, which is, I don't know where I set the damn thing. Right in front of me. Check where the 3 holes are, and that's all I gotta really do. Voila! That is a fatty coil. Yeah, I'm kind of drowning it right now. I don't care. So that's how you pretty much build a coil. Let me move this out of the way. Yeah, I'm in a tank top. I'm not really dressed to be doing reviews. But that's how you do it. That's what it looks like when it's done in the Ferrari. Happy vaping, you guys. Hope that helps.